In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find unread emails in Gmail. If your inbox feels overwhelming and you're worried you might have missed something important, this quick method will help you zero in on messages you haven't opened yet without sifting through everything else. Start by opening Gmail and navigating to the place you care about most. That could be your inbox, a specific label you use for projects, or any other folder-like area you rely on. Getting yourself to the right spot first helps you focus your search on what matters to you, especially if you organize your mail into different sections. Now look to the very top of the screen for the search bar. Click or tap inside it and type the phrase exactly like this: is unread. There are no spaces, and make sure you include the colon between is and unread. The capitalization doesn't matter, but the colon does. This is a built-in Gmail search operator that tells Gmail to show only messages that are still marked as unread. After you've typed is unread, press enter or return to run the search. In many cases, Gmail will start filtering results as you type, but pressing enter confirms it. What you'll see next is a focused list of emails that you haven't opened yet. This works whether you're looking in your inbox or inside a particular label, and it helps cut through the noise so you can scan the important stuff quickly. A couple of small pointers can make this smoother. If nothing shows up, double-check the spelling and that you included the colon. If you still don't see results, it may simply mean you're all caught up in that area, which is a good thing. If you're seeing too many irrelevant items, first navigate to the folder or label that best matches what you want to review. Then use is unread there to keep things tight and relevant. When you're finished, clear the filter by deleting is unread from the search bar and pressing enter again. That brings you back to your normal view. This is a simple move, but it's incredibly powerful when you're managing a lot of messages and want a fast way to catch anything you've missed. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, go to the space you care about and use is unread in the search bar to instantly reveal your unread emails. Try it the next time your inbox feels crowded and you need a clean, accurate snapshot of what still needs your attention.